My name's Lara. I'm a single mum with 2 daughters. I live in Linfield. I work in the film industry. I'm a hair and makeup artist. It's often a very early start, what some people would call the middle of the night. I have to spend the minimum amount of time I need in here so I can get out the door. So while the bedroom is functional, it lacks any of my personality. One of the frustrations I have with my bedroom is while I have a lot of storage, I just can't find things that I want to find. I need soft edges. I can be a bit clumsy, especially when I'm leaving for 4 a.m. in the morning. I really would love my bedroom to be more tranquil and reflect my personality, my creativity, and become not just functional, but more of an oasis. When I first walked in, I couldn't believe that this belonged to me. It's beautiful, stylish, and it feels like me.
I like the chair and the shelf over there, and lots of pillows, which is really good.
I love the colours and the textures, all the tiny little details like the leather handles, the hooks. The new shelves and makeup area are not only organisationally great, they now let me enjoy and look forward to my early starts. It's a more personal reflection of who I am, what I do, and what's most important to me, my girls.